Good afternoon, students, class 11 commerce. I hope you are all right at home. You can remember that I have started revenue, the chapter revenue, and more than 60% of this chapter has already been discussed. Now, today I will discuss what happens if average revenue is not constant. The day before I discussed if average revenue is constant. Revenue, same chapter is continuing. I am going to close this chapter. Revenue is the price received by the seller by selling his commodity. It is revenue. Revenue is the receipt of price by selling the commodities. It is revenue. Now, what happens if AR is not constant? What happens if AR is not constant? If AR is not constant, what happens? I think the question is clear. Can anybody say what is average revenue? AR means average revenue. Can anybody say? AR means average revenue. Average revenue, AR. Can anybody say? What is average revenue? Please say. Meaning of super. Yes, what is? Debargo Hajra. Please say. All right. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? No sound. What is AR? I have discussed it. Is there anybody else or not? Are you hearing at all? Are you hearing me at all? Now let us. AR means TR by quantity Q is equal to AR. That is total revenue by quantity output. I have explained it yesterday. Then I am not going deep into the discussion. So, under monopoly and monopolistic competition, under monopoly and monopolistic competition, monopolistic competition market, competition. I have discussed it in one section. I don't know whether I have discussed it in class 11 commerce or 11 arts. So, monopoly and monopolistic competition. Mono means one. Mono means one. If there is only one producer or one seller of a particular commodity who controls the total supply of that commodity, then it is called monopoly, that none other than he can supply that particular commodity, is called monopoly. They are receiving or not? Not responding? অনেকজন ছিল চলে গেল কোথায়? হয়তো এরা আছে না? Okay, okay, thank you. So monopoly, mono means one. If the business or sales is done by a particular person, a particular company, and no other company is able to sell that commodity or nearer to that commodity, is called monopoly. For example, some particular medicine is produced by a particular company only. None other than this company produces this commodity. Therefore, it is called monopoly. And monopoly sometimes happens in case of medicine. Some particular medicine is supplied by a particular company. No other company can supply it. There is monopoly business. And it has no close substitute commodities. The commodity has no close one through which people or buyer can satisfy himself, purchasing that commodity instead of this. So there is a particular medicine which is to be used to cure a particular disease. No other medicine can do this role. And monopolistic means it is mono but not perfect. It is in between monopoly and perfect competition. There are a few seller or companies who sells commodities which is slightly different from each other. একটা কমোডিটির থেকে আরেকটা স্লাইটলি ডিফারেন্ট, মিনিং অফ সুপার পাচ্ছি না। সো ক্যানট লিসেন এনিথিং, ও ক্যানট লিসেন, why? Now it is, are you hearing me now? Are you hearing me now? Devargo, are you hearing now? I don't know why. What is the reason? Are you hearing? My God. No one is hearing me. Wait, someone will come and then I will say, but it is sad. Cannot listen anything. স্টুডেন্টরা বলছে কিছু শুনতে পাচ্ছি না, cannot listen anything. Hello? Hello? Hello, are you hearing me? Devargo is trying. Are you hearing? My voice is not so low. So monopolistic competition market is a market where a few seller sells their commodities slightly different from each other, but uses for the same purpose. Suppose cars. There are different cars of different companies, but the purpose of use is same. but they are slightly different from each other. Slightly different from each other. Maruti, the company sells cars. Another company sells their cars. What is the difference? Slightly different from each other. One car's engine is very strong. One car's body is very strong. One car's inside is spacious. So there are so many differences among themselves, but doing the same purpose, serving the same purpose. Therefore, they are different in some concern, and they are called monopolistic competition. Monopolistic, not monopoly. Monopoly is one who is selling the particular commodity which is not available in the market. No close substitute goods even of it. But in monopolistic competition, there are few, not more. Few, 4, 5 or 6 maximum companies selling commodities different from each other, but for the same purpose. That is monopolistic. I have given you the example cars. Different companies' cars are used by the people. Now, these companies fix their prices according to their cost of production, TP, total TC, total cost. If their cost is, suppose 100, cost of production is 100, including normal profit. It includes normal profit. You know, as a factor of production, total cost includes profits, normal profits also. There are 4 factors of production: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. And landowner gets rent, labor gets wage, capital gets interest. That is interest for capital. Interest gets for capital, and the owner or the managers or the owner of the factory or the producer gets profit, and that is called normal profit. It includes in the factor of production. Now, if it is 10, then it is 110 extra. Now, if there is a competition in the monopolistic market, every seller or producer has to consider the price of the other company. The price of the other company. So, abnormal profit cannot be enjoyed. I cannot attend the class, sir. Why not? I don't know. So, no company can avail abnormal profit because there is competition among the monopoly business persons. So, it is not solely monopoly, it is monopolistic. Therefore, if price decreases, there will be the chance of loss for the company. Now, I am telling you that what happens if air is not constant. If air is not constant, that is, average revenue is not constant. I am giving you a table through which you can understand. That is output, then price is equal to AR. Generally it happens. And then TR. TR means total revenue. Then MR. MR means marginal revenue. 1, 2, 3, 4 output. I am giving you very small example. Price. Price is 10. Now it falls 9.5, then 9, then 8.5. And TR. TR is 10. This is 19. How can you get? 1 into 10 is equal to 10, 2 into 9.5 is equal to 19, 3 into 9 is equal to 27, and 8.5 into 4 is equal to 34. Marginal revenue 10 TR minus 0 এখন আর কিছু নেই কাজে 10, 19 minus 10, rather I have to is equal to 9, and then 27 minus 9 minus 19, sorry, minus 19, this is equal to 8, 9, 8, 17, 9, 8, 17, this minus this, that is 24, 34 minus 27 is equal to 7. Okay, so this is marginal revenue. Here it is 0. Marginal revenue 0, 9, 8, 7. Now we'll discuss it. In case AR is declining, in case AR, this is AR, AR is declining 10, then 9.5, then 9, then 8.5. It is gradually declined by 0.5. AR is declining, AR is declining by 0.5, right? And MR is declining, or decline 0.9, 0.987, that is by 1. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, so by 1. So MR is declining by 1. So the rate of decrease of marginal revenue is more than the declining of average revenue. I think it is clear. Now I have to put it into a diagram. মুছে দিলেই তো সব গেল. I have no other alternative but to remove it. If I could. Now I am trying my best to give you the picture. It is TR. TR means total revenue. এখানে আমরা করছি AR and MR. Average revenue and marginal revenue. It is Y, it is 0, and this is X. Now output is measured here. Output. Here also output. Okay. চকের ডাস্ট হয়ে গেছে. This is MR curve, marginal revenue curve. This is the highest point, suppose B. Here TR is maximum. When TR is maximum? When MR is 0. MR is 0. You have read it. You have read it in the previous class. In the previous class. So, এদিকটা পাচ্ছ না। আবার আঁকতে হবে, এটা এদিকটা আসছে না ছবিটা তো। You are not getting it. ভাই একটু এটাকে একটু সরিয়ে দেওয়া যাবে, ছবিটা কি আনা যাবে? এটা অর্ধেকটা আসছে। That's good. আমি মুছে দিয়ে যাচ্ছিলাম। So when TR is maximum at point B, according to the rule, marginal revenue is 0, which is proved from this diagram, that is MR, 0 is here. You have read it and I have discussed it, why it is so. And now TR is maximum. Now AR, when TR curve touches here and that MR curve is greater than AR, and this proves that if AR is constant, then AR is constant, AR is not constant, then it will decline in this way, because AR is equal to MR. I will discuss it next day, the last part of this answer. Okay? But you must attend the class. We are missing you. I think you are also missing us. Please attend the class regularly so that you can follow the syllabus at least. Thank you.